For this video, I bought the Panasonic MB2025. This is an old printer. We are going to find out, can we use the older stuffs nowadays to help the economic system? And this is kind of recycling. Let's jump to the video and see what's going on. We have a start, we have the stop, we have the numpad to enter the type or amount of the print that we need to print. In here we have the buttons to change the options that are appearing here, and for example, if you want to set, you can click on set. In here we have the menu. In here we have the page layout, zoom, resolution, contrast, copy size, and radial for the fax, flash, monitor. In here we have three options: scan, copy, and fax. We have the broadcast buttons. You can customize some of them for yourself. If, for example, this broadcast is manual port. In here you will see lower. It means that when you set it as on, it's going to print with a lower tuner or cartridge and it's going to save the money. If you enable fax auto answer, the button it becomes red, and right now it is auto answering the fax. I disable it. If you want to fax, go in here and this green light is going to be enabled. If you want to copy, press this one, and if you want to press on a scan, you need to connect this printer into the PC. Right now if I press on it, it means that PC failed or PC is busy and is not going to work because the scan is disabled. How to copy it? The first way you can copy a page on it is this way. For example, I'm using the American English file. I open the lid. I set it in here. In here, I will see letter and A4. This book is letter LTR. I close it, and right now in here we'll see the contrast. Because the cartridge is new and none of that is used, I set a contrast on the lowest one. 1 point check. Okay, with this way is going to print better because the cartridge of that is new. You can set it on there and press on the start. Okay, this is our result of the book. Another way you can copy files with this printer is this. If you want to copy, for example, papers, you can put the paper with the side that letter types in there. In here, as you can see, it says face up max 20 sheets. It means that you can put 20 sheets in here and it's going to be copied, all of them for you. You can set it in here. Right now you will hear a beep sound and it means that it is connected and the printer knows that a paper is in this side. If you go in here and press on the start, it's going to fill the paper in. And we will have our result. This is a way that this Panasonic printer can print. These are two ways that it supports printing. And with these numbers, you can set the amount of the prints. For example, I set 3, you will see copies 3. And I press 2, 1. Right now is going to print 11 pages of the amount.